Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up auto deposit on Scotiabank. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch the app and then come here at the bottom right, tap on menu, okay? And then from here I want you to tap on profile and settings. And then tap on manage auto deposit. And from here I want you to enter your email, okay? Enter that and then choose what account you want to deposit funds to. Okay, basically automatically deposit the money that is sent to you to whichever account. So you select that account. So let's say, for example, from here we select our savings account, and then they'll basically send you an email to the address you're setting up for auto deposits, and it'll give you 24 hours to confirm that email address before your auto deposit preferences can actually be set up. Okay, so click here understand this terms and conditions, click on register email, and then what you need to do is just come here and tap on finish. So your email address and the account you'll be setting up auto deposit to. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.